Friends, I present Smart Dustbin presentation. Content, introduction, objective, existing system, requirement, block diagram, working, circuit diagram, advantage, disadvantage, future scope, conclusion. Introduction. Every person in this world threw waste in the form of plastic, wet waste, dry waste, and its also everyone know the dustbin. The dustbin means a small plastic container that are used to store trash on a temporary basis. They are often used in homes, office, street, park. It's to collect the waste. Smart dustbin, as its name represents, its work smartly. It is an automatic dustbin. It reduces the human efforts and improve the cleanliness. Smart dustbin is a decent gadget to make your home clean and attractive. This system will help to avoid the overflow of the dustbin because the breeding of mosquitoes, housefly occurring mainly in a garbage, which are is a major causes for various diseases like malaria, dengue, corona. Improve environment quality by reducing smell and make the cities clean. The smart dustbin is developed working prototype that is a future like automatic lid mechanism and garbage level sensing. This dustbin easy to access of any age of group. Objective. The main objective of this project is to design and build a prototype for an automatic open dustbin that can be automatically open the lid when it detect the people who want to throw out their trash and automatic close. Another objective, it can be detect the level of the trash that the inside the dustbin. If the dustbin is full of the trash at the certain level, the lid will not open even when there are people who want to throw out their trash. There is no contact touch between dustbin and person. So prevention from germs and disease. Project is designed to short smart dustbin which will help in keeping our environment clean and also eco-friendly. Existing system. Mostly in our daily life, we use encounter dustbin that are extremely full and garbage spilling out them. This kind of situation is neither good for our environment nor for our advancement. This problem lead to huge number of diseases as a large number of insect and mosquitoes. Garbage will be not collect on time to time basis. There will be bad smell around the pit. Not keep the environment clean and fresh. Direct handling of the overflowing waste expose the health risks. Requirement. Hardware requirements: Arduino Uno, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, jumper wire. Software requirement: Arduino IDE. Hardware compound. First is the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board based on the microchip ATmega 328P microcontroller and developed by the Arduino CC. The board is equipped with set of digital and analog input-output pins that may be interfaced to the various expressive board and other circuits. Second compound is a servo motor. A servo motor is a rotary actuator or linear actuator that allows for the precise and control the angular or linear position, velocity and oscillation. It consists of the suitable motor coupled to the sensor for the position feedback. Third compound is a ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is an electronic device that measures the distance of the target object by emitting the ultrasonic sound wave and to convert the reflected sound into an electric signal. Fourth compound is a jumper wire. A jumper wire is an electronic wire or group of them in the cable with a connector or pin at each end. Jumper wire are used to connect two pins in the circuit. Jumper wire typically comes into three versions: male to male, male to female, female to female. When the connecting two ports on the board, a male to male wire is used. Arduino IDE. The Arduino Integrated Development Environment is a cross-platform application that is written in a function from C and C++. It is used to write and upload program to Arduino compatible board. The Arduino IDE support the languages C and C++ using the specialized rules of code structuring. Block diagram. The block diagram shows the connecting between the various blocks. These block together the functionality of the Arduino Uno. Use the ultrasonic sensor which used to sense and detect the object. The ultrasonic sensor can detect the distance of any object and can also detect the movement of it. Opening and closing of the dustbin doors use the servo motor that get input from the Arduino board. The sensors detect the object, the dustbin door is open. If the sensor not detect the object, the dustbin door is closed. Working. Once the system is on the Arduino, keep the monitoring for any object near to the ultrasonic sensor. If the ultrasonic sensor detect any object like a hand for example, Arduino calculate its distance and it less than a certain predefined value. Arduino will be activate the servo motor and with the support of the extend arm, it will be leave the lid open. After a certain time, the lid is automatically closed. Also, the dustbin consists of a level sensing ultrasonic sensor that constantly measure the level of garbage in the bin and automatically detect if it is about to fill up. The dustbin is full that time, not lid open. Circuit diagram of in this circuit diagram it consists of Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor and servo motor, and for connection use the jumper wire. Advantages: first is a maintain environment hygiene, second is a prevent the overflow of the garbage, third is the garbage will be collected on time to time basis, fourth is not be any bad smell around the bin, fifth one is keep the environment clean and fresh, sixth one is reduce the environmental pollution. Disadvantage: the process is not always cost effective. Resultant product has been short life. Dustbin consists electric wires. When the liquid garbage is thrown into the dustbin, it may be lead to the short circuit. Future scope: it can be made durable by making a compact and cost effective. Bins can be placed to collect wet and dry waste separately. Wet waste can be decomposed and used making a biogas. Solar panel can be used. Waterproof circuit design. Conclusion: here we are going to make an evolution changes toward the clean life. The combination of intelligent waste monitoring and trust computation technologies, smart dustbin are better traditional garbage dustbin. It is equipped with a smart dustbin like sensor, Arduino and servo motor. Lid of the dustbin will automatically open when an object comes near to the dustbin, and after certain time period it will be closed the lid. For the social, it helps toward health and the hygiene. These are the reference for use for my presentation. Thank you.